Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get time in Little Alchemy 2 only way. Start by making basic elements like earth, fire, water, and air. Combine earth and fire to make lava, mix air with steam for energy, and then use energy plus stone to progress toward time. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along and replicate the combos with ease. Follow these combos slowly and think about how elements transform into new ones. Make lava from earth and fire, then turn water and fire into steam. Combine steam with air to produce energy, which unlocks the next chains. Keep created items handy and avoid deleting them until you're sure they aren't needed. This measured approach prevents backtracking and makes reaching time much smoother for new players. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long gaming sessions and fits cup holders perfectly, which is surprisingly useful. I link it in the description along with other handy deals you might enjoy. Take a moment to check those out, and now let's get back to the video. Players often rush and lose necessary intermediates, which slows progress dramatically. Don't toss items like energy or stone until you confirm they aren't required. If a combination doesn't work, retrace steps and verify each produced element actually exists in your inventory. Staying methodical prevents dead ends and saves time, letting you reach the time element more efficiently while enjoying the puzzle-solving process along the way.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.